Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email, and if I understand them right, they want to cut the word "the" in half on the center line of the H and the contour of the top half white and the bottom half black, like that. So at first I thought of a couple of different ways, but I really think this way would be the easiest now. I am going to left click, right click. I am going to go ahead and go to effects in contour to the outside like that. Now, I did it differently in the first one, but I think this was actually better. Now, if I need to find, well, what I'm going to do first is take that and go up to object. I always do break contour apart. I need to find the center line of this H. Well, if I bring in a line and bring it down to the H, there's nothing for it to go in the center. So there's multiple ways to do it, but I'm going to go, and because I converted it to a curve, it'll kind of, well, or did I? I didn't. If you will convert it to a curve, then it will snap to those nodes. So get a 2-point line. See how it snaps to the nodes? So that way you know you're perfect. And then you could bring your line in and have it snap to that intersection. That way it'll be exactly in the center. Now, I did it completely different. I cut it in half, but I thought if that's all we really want, why don't we just do this? You did contour, and I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and he wanted the black bottom, the black on the bottom black, and we'll just fill this in with black, and then change your other next color to white. Whenever you do that, back up, because I don't know for a fact, but maybe there'd be another layer underneath here. And then take it all and just take away your outline. And that's not the best color maybe to show that all there. That might work pretty good. I'm hoping that's what he wanted. That to me is the easiest way. The first time I split it in half and contoured both halves, but then you had over contour on the bottom, and I had to delete some of it. But I'm thinking that's what he's asking. If not, he'll let me know. Thank you for watching.